Hello everyone, back to my series on CoWin. In this video, I will explain the first step in our project, that is to create an empty project in PyCharm. To do that, we have this empty folder. Here we will open the PyCharm Community Edition. It takes some time for the PyCharm Community Edition 2021 to open. Once it's open, we have an empty workspace with the min already created. We will clean up this file. Before we go, on the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is no interpreter selected. We'll click here and configure Python 3.8. Next, it will update the skeleton, go through the install package and create a database which will help you with the intelligence helping during the process of coding. We have our min.py. Here we will write the code. So the first part of our code will be to get a list of state. For now, that's all. I will explain to you the first step in the next video. Till then,